Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to create bar charts in SAC. You'll learn how to create bar charts, adjust the chart format, and add filter conditions to story page. First, let's review our data model. It contains 3 dimensions: version, date, and company, and actual and target sales revenue. In our chart we'll focus on date dimensions, and actual revenue measure. Okay, let's create our bar chart. Start with a new page. Drag the chart widget to canvas. It creates a vertical bar chart by default. Keep this setting. Chart orientation can be vertical or horizontal. Let's choose horizontal layout, with actual sales revenue in dimension part. Use company as dimension. Okay, let's enlarge the chart. For bar charts, we usually use sorting by specific fields. Let's sort by revenue descending. Click the Sort button. Then select Descending Order. Sort by actual revenue, from highest to lowest. Done. Now we have revenue-ranked bar chart. Now let's adjust the format. Click the Format button. Access styling options. Here we can adjust number formatting. Set values display in thousands. Okay, set decimal places to 2. Click the vertical line. Remove the color fill. This improves visual clarity. Next, select the chart. Set borders. Apply to all borders. Adjust corner radius. We set to 8 px here. Great. Our first chart is complete. You can copy-paste it to create the second chart. For this one, we'll make it vertical. Perfect. Adjust the positioning. We've created 2 bar charts successfully. Now let's add filters to this page. We will add the date filter to this page. Let me show you how to achieve this. Let's add a new control called Input Control. Drag it over here. Let's select the dimensions for our input control. In this case, we hope to use date as the selection dimension. Select the date field. Then choose the specific date members we need. Typically we'll select all options. Alright, let's reposition this chart lower. Resize the input control to make it larger. Okay, now let's check the results in view mode. By default it shows full year revenue data. You can make selections here. For example, let's check the Q1 data. Select 2025 Q1 and apply. Now the chart displays Q1 data. To check Q2 data, repeat the same process for Q2. Or if you want the data for specific months, just expand the selection. Let's choose April as an example. Apply. Now we can see the April sales revenue displayed here. Finally, let's adjust the second chart's colors. Select the second chart, and open the Color Settings panel. In this settings, we'll select the second option. The second chart now shows our desired colors. Let's return to the View mode. And that completes our bar chart creation. Thanks for watching.